Imagine you're in the middle of a training session and your client slips, falls, and ends up in the hospital. Could that accident cost you thousands of dollars, or even your business? But how do you get it, and what type do you even need? In today's video, we're walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to get personal trainer insurance in the United States, from what coverage you need to how much it might cost. Check out the link in the description box below. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand why you need personal trainer insurance. Being a personal trainer is rewarding, but it also comes with serious risks, injuries, property damage, and even lawsuits. That's why most gym owners, clients, and even state laws require trainers to carry insurance. Whether you're self-employed or running a fitness studio, insurance is your safety net. Protect your business from lawsuits. Meet client and gym requirements. Get peace of mind. Step 2. Know what insurance you need. Now let's break down the different types of insurance you'll likely need as a personal trainer. General liability insurance. This covers basic accidents. Think someone trips over a dumbbell and breaks their ankle. It helps with medical payments, property damage, and legal fees if someone sues you. Professional liability insurance, E&O. Let's say a client accuses you of giving bad training advice that led to an injury or hurt their career. Professional liability, also called errors and omissions, protects you from claims of negligence or mistakes. Workers' compensation insurance. If you hire employees, even part-time trainers, most states legally require you to carry workers' comp. It helps cover medical expenses and lost wages if an employee gets hurt on the job. Commercial property insurance. Own or lease a gym or training space? This coverage helps protect your equipment, inventory, and the building itself, whether it's from a fire, burst pipe, or theft. Step 3. Choose the right insurance package. At Next Insurance, you can choose from 3 main insurance packages depending on your needs and budget. Basic plan, for beginners. General liability, $500,000. Workers' comp, $100,000. Property, $25,000. Pro plan, most popular. General liability, $1 million. Workers' comp, $500,000. Property, $25,000. Pro Plus, best coverage. General liability, $2 million. Workers' comp, $1 million. Property, $25,000. The more coverage, the more protected you are. And when you bundle policies with Next, you can save up to 10% instantly. Step 4. Estimate your insurance cost. Personal trainer insurance costs depend on type of training you offer, where your business is located, whether you hire employees, size of your payroll, risk level of your services. On average, you could expect to pay anywhere from $15 to $60 per month for basic general liability, and more if you add workers' comp or property insurance. Step 5. Apply online in minutes. Getting insured doesn't have to be complicated. With Next Insurance, the entire process is online, quick, easy, and hassle-free. Go to Next Insurance by clicking the link in the description. Select Personal Trainer. Enter a few details about your business. Choose your package. Pay monthly or annually, your choice. Download your certificate instantly. Plus, you can cancel anytime, no hidden fees. Step 6. Make sure you meet requirements. Depending on your situation, you might need insurance to sign a new client, rent gym space, hire employees, replace damaged equipment. Don't risk losing business because you're not covered. Having active insurance makes you look more professional, reliable, and trustworthy, and that gives you an edge. Alright, if you're a personal trainer in the US, getting insured isn't just smart, it's essential. Ready to protect your business and your future? One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.